Ever wonder how traders make so much money even when the market's volatile? You look and think, how can they make money when it's just dropped so much, when it's just rose so much, when this candle has just appeared? Guys, there is a way that these people make money. Now, I'm a crypto trader and I am profitable, but I've only just realized recently how these traders are making money when I think the market's too crazy to trade. And that's by using tools. There's one tool on Bybit that is absolutely changing the way we trade. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, this is for education purpose only, but if you join Bybit today with the link down below, every $100 you deposit, you're going to get $20 back as long as you're within the 7-day period of KYC and you cannot withdraw for 7 days. So that means you've got free money to trade. Now, how do you do it through the volatile markets? Let me show you right now. So Bybit is the exchange that I've been using for a long time, but I never actually saw this tool until recently, and I decided I have to make a video because this tool is changing the way that we trade. So if you go to tools and you go to trade GPT, I'm going to discuss a little bit about what this can do for you. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. As we go through this, the importance of risk management, okay, is so imperative that you could be a good trader, you could find a good trade, you could even copy a good trader on Bybit. If you don't have the risk management sorted, you could lose your entire portfolio overnight. And that's what we don't want. For example, let me ask, what is the importance of risk management? Okay, this is an AI that Bybit use. Okay, and in this AI, you can actually discuss anything to do with crypto. So as long as you understand the importance of risk management, and you should always have a stop loss, you should always know what you're willing to lose. Never go into trading thinking, if I lose this, I'm done. But if I win, I'm rich. That is not a way to do it. Okay, so once you're in here, you can start to take the human nature out of analysis, all right? And that is something that I am so grateful for. I analyze charts all night, and then in the morning, I get ready to trade them. Sometimes I'm tired. Sometimes I make a mistake. Watch this. Can you analyze Bitcoin for me, please? And tell me if this is a good time to put on sells. All right, I'm going to ask this right now, okay? This chat is going to now analyze Bitcoin for me like I asked it to and tell me, is this a good time to sell Bitcoin? Okay, because that's the kind of position I'm looking for, a short position. You can see here, it's going to come up with everything you need. So the current market data is going to tell you exactly what's going on in the data. It's going to tell you the way will trader signal, which means there is big people getting involved in the markets here. It's going to show you the cash flow, the inflow, the outflow, the net flow, and the RSI, right? It's showing an overbought condition. So to me, already that's a green flag. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. If it's overbought, in my trading experience, you're getting ready to sell. All right, so this is a potential short-term price correction. Shows you the resistance and the support, which is what we should all be trading, and the conclusion. So the RSI says it's overbought. Price is approaching resistance of 105, which is a resistance level that it might bounce down from, and the strong inflow suggests bullish. So it doesn't mean that I should put sells on. So from this conclusion, I would just wait to see what happens at the 105 mark. Now, it also gives you a full analysis. All right, you can see here. So this here, 104, we're going to wait for it to get to 105. If it starts to push through, I'm going to buy. If it starts to drop back down, I'm going to go with my original sell, just like the RSI is saying. Now, guys, I'm not trying to confuse you here. I'm trying to explain to you that this is something that used to take me hours to do. Now, it does it all for you. It's unbelievable. So I can say, okay, could you give me a good crypto that is looking like it's ready for sells? And let's see what it says here. Okay, so I'm looking to sell something today. I don't want to go through the analysis myself. Okay, this is saying cryptocurrencies ready for sells. Okay, it's giving me two of them, Sundog's USDT and Morph's USDT. Why? Because the RSI is indicating the price change in the volume for Sundog, and again on the next one. So I can now take away all of the work I have to do. Literally. And that's how these traders in the volatile markets are making money. You might have looked at Bitcoin or looked at this Sundog and said, oh, it's going crazy. I don't know what to do. Ask this bot. This bot will give you a great overview. Now, it doesn't mean it's 100% correct. Okay. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen. No one can actually predict it, but this is giving you the best analysis that you can get on the market. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay. And to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. This strategy is probably the best for saving you so much time, but of course, implement it into your normal analysis as well. Guys, Bybit is fantastic. Like I said, they're giving you $20 if you deposit $100 right now, following the steps I said in the introduction. You can literally get a chat AI to tell you what to buy and sell. You can go and follow a trader on the copy trading. There is an unlimited amount of ways that you can make life easy in the crypto markets. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell button notified, guys. Make sure you stay safe out there and use Bybit because it is easily the best platform out there. Let's go.